Welcome to Class 3. Accommodation means place to stay. Example: we need accommodation in the city. Accompany means go with someone. Example: she accompanied her friend to school. Accord means agreement. Example: they signed an accord of peace. Account means record. Example: I have a bank account. Accountant means a person who keeps accounts. Example: my uncle is an accountant. Accurate means correct, exact. Example: her answer is accurate. Accuse means to blame. Example: he accused me of theft. Ache means continuous pain. Example: I have a headache. Achieve means to succeed or reach goal. Example: she achieved her dream. Acid means sour substance. Example: lemon has acid in it.